iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers the best battery life among 35 smartphones tested. Apple leads battery performance across models and brands. Apple has once again set the benchmark for smartphone battery performance. According to a comprehensive comparison conducted by CNET, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivered the strongest battery life among 35 smartphones tested. The results place Apple's flagship device at the top of the rankings and confirm Apple as the best-performing brand overall, despite many competing devices relying on significantly larger battery capacities. In a global smartphone market where hardware innovation has slowed, battery life has emerged as one of the most decisive factors influencing purchase decisions. These findings reinforce Apple's long-standing advantage in efficiency-driven design. Efficiency beats battery size. The iPhone 17 Pro Max achieved first place with a battery capacity of 5,088 mAh. While substantial, this figure is modest compared with several Android competitors that exceed 6,000 or even 7,000 mAh. According to CNET, the explanation lies in efficiency rather than scale. Apple's A19 Pro chip, combined with deep integration between hardware, software, and operating system scheduling, allows the device to extract more usable time from every unit of energy. Rather than competing on raw battery size, Apple continues to prioritize power management, silicon optimization, and end-to-end system control. This strategy has repeatedly translated into superior real-world endurance. 2 demanding tests. 1 clear winner. CNET evaluated battery life using 2 standardized stress tests. The first was a 3-hour video streaming test over Wi-Fi with screens set to maximum brightness and batteries starting at full charge. Under these conditions, the iPhone 17 Pro Max outlasted every other phone in the comparison. The second test was a 45-minute endurance scenario designed to reflect heavy daily usage. This included gaming, video playback, social media scrolling, and a video call. Once again, Apple's flagship finished at the top. Importantly, this consistency across different workloads suggests that Apple's advantage is not limited to one specific use case. Strong performance across Apple's lineup. The results were not confined to Apple's most expensive model. Several other Apple devices ranked near the top, including the iPhone 16e, a significantly cheaper phone. This indicates that Apple's battery efficiency is systemic rather than exclusive. It is embedded in the company's broader engineering philosophy and silicon roadmap. That consistency helps Apple defend its position across both premium and more price-sensitive segments of the market. Base iPhone 17 delivers a standout result. One of the most striking findings involved the standard iPhone 17. It finished in joint second place overall alongside the OnePlus 15, despite having a battery capacity of just 3,692 mAh. By contrast, the OnePlus 15 uses a battery rated at 7,300 mAh. That Apple's base model could match endurance with a phone carrying nearly double the battery capacity underscores the effectiveness of Apple's silicon and software optimization. It also highlights the diminishing returns of simply adding larger batteries without equivalent efficiency gains. Apple leads brand rankings. When CNET averaged performance across all tested models, Apple emerged as the top brand with an overall score of 91.7%. OnePlus followed closely behind, while other major brands such as Samsung, Motorola, and Google trailed by several points. The result reinforces the idea that Apple's battery advantage is not accidental or model-specific. It is the outcome of a long-term strategy centered on efficiency rather than specification escalation. Battery life as a strategic differentiator. Battery endurance has become one of the most important competitive metrics in the smartphone industry. In a September 2025 survey conducted by CNET and YouGov, consumers ranked longer battery life as the most important reason for buying a new smartphone, second only to price. Camera quality, performance, and design all ranked lower. In that context, Apple's results represent more than a technical win. They strengthen Apple's market positioning at a time when many traditional hardware differentiators are delivering smaller returns. Implications for the wider market. For Android manufacturers, the findings send a clear message. Increasing battery capacity alone is no longer enough. Without efficient processors and tightly optimized software, larger batteries deliver diminishing benefits while increasing weight, heat, and cost. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has demonstrated once again that system-level efficiency can outperform brute force approaches. As component prices rise and energy efficiency becomes more critical, this advantage may become even harder for rivals to replicate. Strategic assessment. The iPhone 17 Pro Max's battery performance reinforces a familiar conclusion. Apple's control over silicon, software, and system design continues to translate into real-world advantages that matter to consumers. In a mature smartphone market, battery life is no longer a secondary feature. It is a core value proposition. On that front, Apple remains firmly in the lead.